So, who's this fellow?
So, oh, this guy, stray trout. One of my favorite guys.
Oh, stray trout. Okay.
Well, so wait a minute, the fishing guy is asking about food. I like that.
Yeah, he's fishing for food. So, how is the food you eat in space different from on Earth?
I tell people that nobody goes for the food. I mean, it all actually looks really pretty terrible.
The
but
ambiance.
It tastes pretty good. And our food is a combination of dried food that we have to add water to. And then there's what we call thermal stabilized, and that means that it doesn't have to, it can get hot, it can get cold, it's still gonna be good food until we open it, and then we can eat it.
And then it's not good food anymore.
I'd say most of it tastes just fine. I mean, there's no, I haven't actually
had food.
I haven't had an urge to eat space food since I got back from space, in that it's okay, but.
It's subsistence. Okay, it's healthy food, it's good food, it's like camping food, and a lot of it is place utility. It tastes really good when you're up there.
And it's fun. Actually, it's
fun.
Eating food is like a science experiment up there, where you can take your tortilla and you can put peanut butter on it and spin it around and.
So in space you can play with your food and call it science.
Exactly.
Imagine that you have no refrigerator, you have no microwave, you have no oven, and your food has to arrive after having traveled thousands of miles in a really slow, unrefrigerated vehicle. What sort of food could you have? And most of your food is like that. It has to be packaged, freeze-dried, irradiated, like military rations or like ramen noodles or like cans.
You're making faces while you're making this explanation.
Most of the food's that way, or cans of food, lots of canned food that can last a long time. It's like the food you could carry in your backpack.
It's camping food.
Yeah, just camping food. So, but it's good. I kept the same weight over my whole 5 months up there. Did you guys lose weight, gain weight?
Lost weight, gained weight, a little of each.
A little of each. How about you?
Lost weight.
Lost weight?
Yeah.
Yeah, I stayed within.
The space diet. I love the space diet.
Space
you could eat whatever you wanted.
But there's space utility. There's place utility for the food. If you ate space food for dinner down here, it'd be okay, but you wouldn't go back for a second. When you're in space, in that environment, it tastes really good.
And once in a while we get fresh food, which is really nice. When an unmanned ship, like one of the robot ships, comes up, one of the last things the technicians on the ground will often put in is a little bit of fresh stuff. So you might get some fresh fruit or some fresh vegetables.
Yeah. On ours, we got lemons.
Lemons.
They put in lemons.
We had like 6 onions, full-size Spanish onions. And we weren't even sure what to do with those big onions.
Well, what do you do with lemons? I guess if you have lemons, you make lemonade.
You have something good with your tea.